नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today topic is Podophyllum medicine. Common name maple, family Bulbidaceae, temperament bilious, thirst, large quantity of cold water. Other medicine Bryonia. Affects chiefly the duodenum, small intestine, liver and rectum. The podophyllum disease is a gastroenteritis with colicky pain and bilious vomiting. Next, mind, hypochondriac mood, hypochondriac mood, loquacity and delirium from eating acid and fruit. Depression of spirit, imagine he is going to die or he will be very ill. Disgust for life, उसको ऐसा लगता है कि या तो वो मरने वाला है या बहुत ज्यादा बीमार है. Next, head symptom, headache alternate with diarrhea, yellow headache in winter, diarrhea in summer. Headache, dull pressure, worse morning with heated face and bitter taste, alternating with diarrhea. Rolling of head from side to side, other medicine belladonna, helichrus, moaning and vomiting, and eyelid half closed. Vertigo with tendency to fall forward, child perspire on head during sleep, worse lying down, after eating, rising, better open air, cold bathing, mouth symptom, grinding of teeth at night, intense desire to press the gums together, Phytolacca other medicine, difficult dentition, tongue broad, large, moist, foul putrid taste, burning sensation of tongue, stomach hot, sore belching, nausea and vomiting, vomiting of hot, frothy mucus, heartburn, gagging or empty retching, vomiting of milk, abdomen symptom, distended, heat and emptiness, sensation of weakness or sinking, can lie comfortably only on stomach, rumbling and shifting of flatus in ascending colon. Patient is constantly rubbing and shaking the region of liver with his hand. Rectum, cholera infantum and morbus. Diarrhea of long standing early in morning, continuous through forenoon, followed by natural stool in evening and accompanied by sensation of weakness or sinking in abdomen or rectum. Constipation, clay colored, hard dry, difficult. Constipation alternating with diarrhea, antincrude, internal and external piles. Diarrhea of children during teething, after eating in hot weather, after acid fruits, while being bathed or washed of dirty water, soaking napkin through benzoic acid with gagging, stool, green, watery, fetid, profuse, other medicine, calcarea, gushing out, gambulia, jet drop, phosphorus, chalk-like, jelly-like aloes, undigested, cinchona ferrum, yellow meal-like sediment, prolapse of rectum before or with stool, extremities, pain between shoulder under right scapula, in loin and lumbar region, pain in right inguinal region, shoot down inner thighs to knees, paralytic weakness on left side, female, many trouble during pregnancy, pendulous abdomen after confinement, painless cholera morbus, prolapse if dry from overlifting or straining from constipation, after parturition with subinvolution. In early month of pregnancy can lie comfortably on stomach, other medicine acetic acid. In early month of pregnancy, pain and numbness in right ovary, running down of that side ileum tick, suppressed mensage in young girls, pulsatilla and tuberculinum, fever, chill at 7 a.m. with great loquacity during chill and heat, with pain in hypochondria, knees, ankle and wrist, modalities in worse in early morning in hot weather during dentition. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.